Did you know that cauliflower can mimic the taste of pizza crust, rice, and even mashed potatoes? This humble vegetable has the ability to transform into a variety of dishes, making it a favorite among those looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. This versatile veggie is more than just a bland side dish. It can be the star of your meal, offering a delicious and nutritious alternative to traditional ingredients. It's a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Often overlooked, cauliflower is packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your body in numerous ways. Cauliflower is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your health. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, this vegetable does it all. You might be surprised to learn that cauliflower isn't just one thing. It comes in various forms and colors, each with its own unique taste and nutritional profile. It comes in a rainbow of colors, including white, purple, orange, and green. Each color variety offers a unique set of health benefits, making it a versatile addition to any diet. Each color variety offers a unique set of health benefits. For example, purple cauliflower is rich in antioxidants, while orange cauliflower is high in vitamin A. Ready to unlock the secrets of this amazing vegetable? There's so much more to cauliflower than meets the eye, and it's time to explore its full potential. Let's dive into the world of cauliflower and discover how it can help you live a healthier and more vibrant life. From farm to table, cauliflower is a true gem in the world of vegetables. Cauliflower belongs to a group of vegetables called cruciferous vegetables. This family, which also includes broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts, is known for its incredible health-promoting properties. What makes cauliflower a superfood? It's all about the unique combination of nutrients it provides. Cauliflower is naturally low in calories, carbohydrates, and fat, making it a great choice for weight management. But don't mistake its low calorie count for low nutritional value. Cauliflower is bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your overall health and well-being. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional treasures found in cauliflower. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant strengthens your immune system and protects your cells from damage. Vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Folate. Crucial for cell growth and development, especially during pregnancy. Fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, aiding in digestion and weight management. These are just a few of the many nutrients that make cauliflower a nutritional powerhouse. Adding this versatile vegetable to your diet is like giving your body a VIP pass to good health. Section 4. A warrior against disease. The benefits of cauliflower extend beyond basic nutrition. This versatile vegetable is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being. Studies have shown that cauliflower may play a role in preventing chronic diseases. Its rich array of nutrients and bioactive compounds make it a powerful ally in maintaining health. Cancer prevention. Compounds in cauliflower, such as sulforaphane, may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of various types of cancer. Heart health. Cauliflower's fiber content and antioxidants can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. These nutrients work together to support cardiovascular health. Improve digestion. The fiber in cauliflower supports a healthy gut and promotes regular bowel movements. This can help prevent digestive issues and maintain a balanced digestive system. By incorporating cauliflower into your diet, you're not just nourishing your body, you're equipping it with the tools it needs to fight disease and stay healthy. Embrace the power of cauliflower and enjoy its numerous health benefits. Section 5. Embrace the power of cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Here's a fun fact. Did you know you can use cauliflower leaves in smoothies? They're packed with nutrients. These often overlooked parts of the cauliflower are rich in vitamins and minerals, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Don't be afraid to get creative with cauliflower. From soups to salads and even as a pizza crust, cauliflower can be transformed into a variety of dishes that are both tasty and healthy. Roast it, steam it, rice it, or even turn it into a delicious cauliflower steak. The options are endless, and each method brings out a unique flavor and texture. Mash it. The possibilities are endless. You can even use it as a low-carb alternative to mashed potatoes, providing a creamy and satisfying side dish. How do you enjoy eating cauliflower? Whether it's in a hearty casserole or a light salad, cauliflower can fit into any meal. Share your favorite recipes and tips in the comments below. We love hearing how you incorporate this amazing vegetable into your meals. Incorporating more cauliflower into your diet is one of the simplest yet most powerful steps you can take towards a healthier life. So why wait? Start today and feel the difference. Start exploring the delicious and nutritious world of cauliflower today. With so many ways to prepare and enjoy it, you'll never get bored.